Welcome to the latest channel update, and hopefully I've had another change of plan, and I've been looking at CAN bus and C bus and different protocols I'm interested in learning, and I've decided to take a look at LCC, or OpenLCB as it's sometimes known. And I think this may offer me another solution which should not work out too expensive in my opinion. This is an open source project and is backed by the NNRA, so I think this is an excellent project to play with. So LCC stands for Layout Command Control, and what I plan to do is show you some very simple nodes in the future which will run on an Arduino Nano using the same hardware that I'd shown in the past using the MCP2515 module. I will also be using the merge kit, the CAN USB 4, for connecting the LCC to JMRI to be able to configure some of the nodes later on. The sketches I'm going to be showing are all available built into the Arduino library manager. So if you click on the libraries here and type in LCC, if you scroll down you will see OpenLCB single thread. Now I've already installed it, and this is going to be where I get the examples from. So if we go up to File, Examples, and we scroll down, and here you'll see OpenLCB single thread. And what I'm going to be looking at or showing you is the OLCB basic node. If we click on that and it will start up, and here you can see the files we're going to be working with. Here you can see the team of people who are behind this sketch. David Harris has been giving me some pointers and helped me to get going using this sketch, which you'll see shortly in the next few days when I go into a bit more detail with it.